Hi, I'm Rob from Skid Steer Genius, and I'm here in sunny Arizona to show you the latest product from Skid Steer Genius. It's our CAN 60 controller. This is a 6-channel output plus ground plus keyed 12-volt controller that plugs straight into a Bobcat. What this does is it takes the CAN signals from the machine and turns them into 12-volt switched pins on a 14-pin. So this will take all of your old attachments, you'll be able to plug them straight into the machine and operate them as usual. The new CAN 60s have embedded magnets now, so you can choose where you put them. Them up here, on the back side, on the side. It even has integrated slots, so if you want to put zip ties, if you want to zip tie it onto your cable or onto your hoses, you can do that as well. Or you can zip tie it up here. We have all types of alternatives now for mounting these. And on the back here, these are 125-pound magnets, and there's 2 of them. So when it goes on here, it's on here very well. It's not going to just fall off.